The costus tree, also known as saussurea costus, is a plant with a deep cultural and spiritual significance in various parts of the world. In this article, I'm going to explore the symbolism associated with the costus tree, as well as its roots. The costus tree symbolizes healing and medicine. It has been traditionally used for its medicinal properties, particularly in Ayurvedic medicine. So as a result, the plant is often associated with healing and medicine. Its roots are believed to have a potent healing property and can be used to treat a variety of ailments. It also symbolizes purification. In the Hindu culture, the costus root is considered to be a purifying agent and is used in various purification rituals. The root is believed to have the power to purify the body, the mind, the soul, and to promote spiritual growth. Also, in the Islamic culture, it is considered one of the herbs that is used for spiritual purification as well, and has been advised to use it in baths and cleanses. The costus root also symbolizes protection. It's associated with protection in various cultures. For example, in Tibet, the root is believed to protect against evil spirits and negative energy, and the root is often used in protective amulets and charms. It also symbolizes spiritual growth. It's associated with spiritual growth and enlightenment. For example, in the Hindu culture, the root is believed to have the power to open the third eye chakra, which is associated with spiritual awareness and intuition. It also symbolizes resilience and strength. It's known for its ability to survive in a harsh and challenging environment, such as high altitude regions in the Himalayas. As a result, the plant is often associated with resilience and strength, and is often seen as a symbol of perseverance in the face of adversity. The costus tree and its root hold deep cultural and spiritual significance in various parts of the world, whether it's healing, purification, protection, spiritual growth, or resilience. The costus root is a powerful symbol that's been revered for centuries. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.